In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a ClickFunnels landing page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open your page, make confident changes, and save everything properly so your updates go live the way you expect. First, let's get into your landing pages. From inside your ClickFunnels workspace, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the main navigation menu, you'll see an option labeled Landing Pages. Go ahead and click that. This will open up a list of all the landing pages that exist in your workspace. Take a second to scan through the list so you're familiar with what's already there and so you can quickly spot the page you want to work on. Once you've found the landing page you want to edit, you're ready to open the page editor. You can do this in one of two ways. The first way is to simply click on the name of the page. That will automatically launch the editor and load that specific landing page. The second option is to look for the small pencil icon next to the page name. Clicking that pencil icon also opens the same editor and takes you straight into edit mode. Use whichever method feels more natural to you. Now that the page editor is open, this is where you'll spend most of your time making changes. Think of the editor as a visual canvas. You can hover over different parts of your landing page and see which section or element you're about to adjust. If you want to add or edit larger sections of your page, look for the green plus icon. Clicking this allows you to insert new, pre-designed sections from the template library. These can be things like hero sections, testimonials, feature blocks, or footers, which can help keep your design consistent and save you time. Within those sections, you can add individual elements such as headlines, images, buttons, forms, and videos. Click into any existing element to change its content. For text, just type directly into the editor. For images, you can replace them with your own files or choose from your existing media. You can also customize styling so your page matches your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and alignment until everything looks clean and on brand. If your page has forms, configure the fields and set what happens when someone clicks the submit button, such as sending them to a thank you page. When you're happy with your edits, don't forget to save. Look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button to lock in all your changes.